In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up folders in OneDrive. Backing up entire folders to OneDrive keeps your files safe, organized, and available from any device. All you need is a web browser and access to your OneDrive account. To start, open your browser and go to OneDrive. Make sure you're signed in and that you're on the My Files page where you can see your existing folders and documents. Using an up-to-date browser like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome helps ensure the folder upload option works smoothly. Look toward the upper right corner of the page for the Create or Upload button. Click it to open the menu of options. From there, choose Upload and then select Folder Upload. This tells OneDrive that you want to back up an entire folder, including all of its subfolders and files, exactly as they are on your computer. A file picker window will open on your computer. Browse to the folder you want to back up. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct parent folder, especially if it contains multiple subfolders you want to keep together. Click once to highlight that folder, then confirm your choice. When you're ready, click Upload. Your browser may ask for permission to upload a folder. If it does, allow it so the process can begin. You'll see an upload status indicator in OneDrive. Keep the browser tab open and avoid putting your computer to sleep while the upload runs, particularly for large folders. The time it takes will depend on your internet speed and the number and size of files inside the folder. As the upload completes, OneDrive preserves the original folder structure. That means your files and subfolders will appear exactly the same in the cloud as they do on your device, making it easy to navigate later. When everything is finished, you'll see the folder listed in your OneDrive alongside your other items. If you want extra peace of mind, you can open the newly uploaded folder in OneDrive and spot check a few files to confirm they opened correctly. Going forward, consider repeating this process whenever you make significant changes to that folder so your cloud copy stays up to date. And remember, once it's in OneDrive, you can share links, access files on other devices, and restore items from the recycle bin if you remove something by accident. That's it. You've successfully backed up a folder to OneDrive using the folder upload feature.